What a beautiful morning we have here. I finally got one of these tools and I saw Hypertough came out with it, so I was like, I guess I'm the Hypertough guy. I should buy this one instead of the, Ryobi, Warrior. I feel like everybody's coming out with this exact same tool. What is this tool? It's the 4-volt cutting tool for opening, boxes. Yeah, for use on cardboard, fabric, carpet, plastic, and more. There's a lock-off switch, LED charging indicator, 3-year limited warranty. It says it comes with the 4-volt cutting tool, 3-foot long USB-C charging cable, 300 RPM max, blade diameter is 1.5 inches. Cutting capacity is 1/4 of an inch. Charge time is 3 to 5 hours. Battery is 1500 milliamp hours. And it weighs 0.88 pounds, so, a hair under a pound. Looks like you got to call a phone number for warranty, according to the box. Let's get it open and see what we're working with here. Let's see. That doesn't work quite as good as I thought it would. I've already been in it, obviously, dudes. I've been playing with it for a couple days now. Obviously, it doesn't work so hot on flopped over cardboard. I figure we'll sacrifice the paternal home, right? So, it works decent enough. No real complaints except this guide is super annoying. I'm thinking about shaving it down a little bit. It's kind of just like in the way. Which, I get it. That's half the way it cuts, but, there it goes. Once you get all the shit out of the way, I don't think they intend on us cutting boxes open like this. Once you get all the shit out the way, that is pretty good. Let's try a doubled up piece. See, it's the guard stopping it yet again. Good Lord. Yeah, I was going to say, it'll do it. It's just the guard. It's got a lip kind of thing going on. I don't know. I think it lips out a little bit. I don't know how well y'all can make that out. However, cuts cardboard fine. Got some plastic here. I played with it earlier after I savagely opened it. And I figured, whatever. Let's see what she does. Sorry I'm a little out of it, fellas. It's freaking 4 o'clock in the morning here in South Georgia. Yet again, the guard. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm in the back of a fucking van. What's today? I think it's Thursday, and I started the day at 40 hours, so I've been running this week. There we go. See, it chews right through it. You just got to be mindful of all that shit on there. Chews right through it, does pretty good. Comes with a manual. They didn't tell us that, so this is a bonus, right? Comes with a manual. It's pretty thick, boy. I wonder if there's pictures. Oh, there's pictures on here. This is a quick start, guys. That's all you need right here. You plug the bitch in. You push this down, and you pull the trigger. During cutting, apply significant tension. Sufficient, 4 o'clock and more, sorry. During cutting, apply sufficient tension while holding fabrics and cut slowly. Yeah, it's got a little LED up front. That's whatever. Probably, well, it does a pretty good job illuminating that, so I don't know. Maybe it illuminates. Damn, this is a small textbook. No load speed, blah, 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 yeah. That's pretty nifty. like most of them, then it goes to Espanol. Like most of these tools, it's kind of like an auto sharpening design. So it swages past this piece of steel, and it should keep the blade sharp for a while. I don't know. My intention actually is probably to give this to my wife. There is one thing I want to try it on, and that is cylinder box. So the manufacturer that my company is a dealer for likes to send their cylinders in the thickest fiberboard box you've ever seen in your entire life. And that box is really a bear. I usually use my Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tool. No beer, 4 o'clock in the morning. We're drinking on some Red Bull. Got it stuffed in the old Yeti cup. The beer level is low. But I use my Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff wheel on it to cut them open. It makes a lot of smoke and shit because I don't normally have like the best I found is like a tile blade, and that's just not really good for that, and it just smokes it. I kind of want to see if this guy can do it, but I bought this on a whim. I shred it won't cut through more than a 1/4 inch. That's fucking fiberboard too. That's pretty thick shit. I don't think she'll do it. So I'll probably end up, giving this to my wife. But I can definitely see how it's nice for opening packages and stuff. Especially that plastic shit. So this would be great for like Christmas time, all the kids opening all their little made in China stuff. Yeah, this would do it. This would do it. Anyhow, y'all stay easy. Trying out a new setup, so I figured I'll make a quick little video on pretty popular tool, Seems to work all right. Does like the rest of them. It's 4 volt. Probably just has one 18650 battery in this. Maybe a 21700. There's plenty of room for it, but I doubt it. Probably some 18650. Y'all stay easy. Watch out for this heat, dude. This shit is wicked. And I'm here to tell you what. I might have to cut in a picture on this one. That Taco Bell lettuce stuff, bro, that ain't no bullshit. Yesterday, I literally caught my seat on fire in the van. Probably because I had a charger cord laying across the seat, but I digress, okay? I like to imagine it's because I was shitting fire, because I love Taco Bell. Anyhow, y'all stay cool.